If you want to know how to make the perfect akara or KOOSE, then you should continue watching this video. This is a very simple video. I've already washed and soaked my beans overnight, and I've peeled the beans already. So you use the black eye beans which you soak, peel, and that is what we'll be using for this recipe. After that, you add some pepper to suit your preference. Go in with some onions for some extra flavor. All right. Now all we'll do is to go ahead and blend this until it's fine, just like this. You want everything to be very, very smooth. Add some salt to taste. Make sure everything you're adding here is just perfect for you. If you want it extra spicy, go ahead and do that. Now you want to whisk this. The whisking is what makes your akara or your KOOSE very, very fluffy. So go ahead to whisk it until for about say 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes. If you have the electric wakes, go ahead and use that. Okay, it can help a lot. Now into your oil, hot oil, you just scoop a reasonable amount into your oil. Make sure your oil is not very, very hot, else it will cook on the outside without it being cooked inside. So you want your oil to be a normal temperature, not very, very hot. Okay. As you do this, make sure you put a reasonable quantity into your frying pan and you fry this and flip it over alternatively until you achieve what like the golden brown color. So you continue to flip this over alternatively. I do not really like to make the other side very, very brown before I flip it onto the other side. I want to be flipping alternatively until I achieve my golden brown color. Okay, so I expect that you do it the same way and don't let it to be very, very dark in the oil before you take it out. Okay, because when it comes out, it's going to, before it cools down, it will still cook for some time. Yeah, it will still cook for some time. So you can see this is so simple and easy to make. What we'll do is to take it from the oil and you put it in a colander or into a paper towel so that the oil will drain very well before you serve. Now you go ahead to repeat the same procedure until you exhaust everything. Okay, yes, until you exhaust everything. And now your akara is just ready to be enjoyed. You can put this into your bread and enjoy it with your cocoa or just like this. It can be a meal on its own. You can enjoy this with your friends, family, and loved ones. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, share your thoughts also in the comments, share it to your friends and loved ones so that they don't miss out on this amazing recipe. If you feel it's so simple or you find it very easy, then give this video a thumbs up. Click on the bell notification icon so you get notified next time. Bye.